welcome to our new loft home. When you come in the front door, this is our little entryway. We have our little table. Ethan has a photo here, and then where you are standing, there are some shoes with our shoe rack, which actually fits perfectly in that space, so it's not like an awkward random little hole. And then when you come down the hallway, this is our guest bedroom. So this is where our guests sleep and stay over and stuff. We obviously still need a bed frame, but it's on the floor for now. And we have a huge closet in here where we're just keeping bins of things. And then out of here is our entryway closet with all our coats and vacuums and stuff. And then this big closet is just our piping and heating systems, and there's not really space in there. But then this closet is our washer dryer with a huge space back there, so we just have Ethan's snowboard, Stella's crate, my clothing rack, random boxes, that kind of thing. Then here is our master bedroom, I guess, with our Endy mattress. Very comfy. So yeah, this is just our bed, same bed frame and everything from the previous house, same side tables. And we have a little plant in the window. Stella's sleeping here at my feet. And then we just picked up these two dressers from IKEA because there's not really a lot of space for folded clothes and stuff in the closet. So we picked up two of these, which the TV is obviously, as you can see, going to be sat on. It's currently not hooked up because we don't get Wi-Fi until tomorrow, so it's just chilling for now, for looks. And then this is our closet. See, like I said, there's no shelving units or anything, it's just hanging. So Ethan's folded his sweaters and stuff at the top, but it's really deep, which is really awesome. So we have our laundry bin and luggages in there. And then back out into the hallway, this is our bathroom, which is pretty self-explanatory.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, sink. We have a window in here, which is really nice. So I put this plant so it kind of covers, so people can't see us naked getting out of the shower. And then this is technically a front side door. I'm not really sure, but we never use it unless there's a delivery. And then this is our linen closet, which we should have folded all the stuff in here before I showed you, but we've never had in that before, so that's fun. And then you come out into the main feature, what's it called, where the magic happens. So this is our kitchen, which is so big and bright. This is obviously our island, and then we have the two bar stools that we brought from the other house too. And then we have literally so much cupboard space. I'm shook because we had no room before. So we have just stuff everywhere. I think this one's even empty. Yeah, empty cupboards, insane. So yeah, this is our kitchen, pretty self-explanatory. We got this from my Nona's house, we stole it. Double sinks, which is awesome. Dishwasher. We don't have a microwave, but honestly we don't really even use microwaves, so it doesn't matter. Our fridge, there's more cabinets under here in the island. This is where we keep our blender and coffee makers, I guess the machines section of the kitchen. And then this is our living room, which this is my favorite part, I think, of the whole house because it's just there's so much character and it's really pretty. I love that they painted it white. And then we put our IKEA woven braided carpet to warm up the space a little bit. This is our famous clear table that everyone asks about. So we kept it here. We have our plants in the windows. We have our couch, Ethan's deco art that you can watch on his channel, him making it. Our mirror, our little record table section with Ethan's print on top, the records, the record player. And then this is our dining table. It is from CB2. Chairs are from Wayfair, I think. And then Polly we put in the corner. And Stella's food is down here, which is really nice because it has its own little section away for the first time. So that's really nice. And yeah, we have all the exposed ducks They have the light fixtures above the island, like super industrial feeling. We're very, very happy in the new space. It's very, very bright and airy. That's our new house. I hope you like it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one. If you're subscribed, which you better be. And as usual, everything that I've mentioned or all the like big furniture pieces will be linked in the description if you were interested in them. See you next time.